हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आप देख रहे हैं आपका अपना चैनल स्टडी विद पैसिफिक। हम लोग ट्रैफिक अकाउंट्स देख रहे थे, जिसके अंदर ये हमारा थर्ड पार्ट होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 तक हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सॉरी, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 41। ऑल कैंसल्ड स्पेशल कैंसिलेशन एंड नॉन इशूड टिकट्स pertaining to broken and selected dates of check should be checked with the relevant statements with क्या है ऑप्शंस? डेली स्टेटमेंट ऑफ कैंसल्ड टिकट्स D8A, डेली स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ मॉडिफाइड स्पेशल कैंसिलेशन एंड स्टूडेंट टिकट्स D8B, डेली स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ नॉन इशूड टिकट्स D8D। द राइट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द above। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42। It is checked to see that the case of a special cancellation of tickets should be recorded in dash with the details and maintained at the counter. The right answer is A, special cancellation register. तो क्या है? It is checked to see that the case of a special cancellation of tickets should be recorded in special cancellation register with the detail and maintained at the counter. Question number 43. The concession tickets including PTO are subject to checks by TIA as per the guidelines provided in para 438 of IRCM. Read with para 2114 of A2 to ensure genuineness. ठीक है? The concession tickets including PTO are subjected to check by TIA as per the guidelines provided in para 438 of IRCM. Read with para 2114 of A2 to ensure genuineness. Question number 44. It is checked to see by TIA that DTC summary card should be checked for the broken selected dates of check with, the right answer is B, cash information statement D5. It is checked to see by TIA that DTC summary card should be checked for the broken selected dates of check with cash information system D5. Question number 45. The daily summary of transaction, cash and passenger information D5 shows. D5 क्या shows करता है? ऑप्शन ए कैश, वाउचर, CST, RTC and credit card. ऑप्शन बी refunds made under each head for individual operator with passenger details. The right answer is both A and B. ठीक है, तो डेली समरी ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन जो होता है D5 में आता है। क्या शो करता है? तो ये दोनों ऑप्शन ए एंड बी दोनों ठीक है। मीन्स कैश, वाउचर, CST, RTC एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड, और बी में रिफंड्स मेड अंडर ईच हेड फॉर इंडिविजुअल ऑपरेटर विथ पैसेंजर डिटेल्स। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 46। स्टॉक ऑफ tickets rolls and part rolls are subjected to check of TIA. The correctness should be क्या है? ऑप्शन ए certified by TIA for the stock on hand. ठीक है। Stock of ticket rolls and part rolls are subjected to check of TIA. The correctness should be certified by TIA for the stocks on hand. ठीक है। Question number 47. The money value book, that is BPT, EFT, MR, kept with CERS should be linked and checked by TIA for their option A, continuity in consumption, option B, use and availability at the location, option C, proper record is kept at the location. The right answer is D, all of the above. ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 48। नॉर्मली नो मैनुअल रिफंड इज परमिटेड। इन केस ऑफ इंस्टेंस ऑफ मैनुअल रिफंड एट स्टेशन, द TIA इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू चेक द मैनुअल रिफंड्स टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ, द राइट आंसर इज बी, 100% चेक फ्रॉम द लास्ट इंस्पेक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 49। चेक ऑफ ए स्पेशल कैंसिलेशन फॉर द सेलेक्टेड पीरियड एंड ब्रोकन पीरियड विद द स्पेशल कैंसिलेशन स्टेटमेंट शुड बी डन फॉर ऑल एंट्रीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 50। TIA is responsible to check the name change register with the relevant papers and application to the extent 100% check from the last inspection. Question number 51. TIA is responsible to check the group booking register with the relevant papers and application to the extent of, answer is A, 100% check from their last inspection date. TIA should check the system BPTs for selected dates and broken period dates for correctness of the distance subject to C. 10 system BPTs. 10 system BPT. Question number 53. TIA should check the ticket roll continuity for the dash with the roll continuity statement and link to the stock book. The right answer is A. Last completed month. फिर से पढ़ लेते हैं. TIA should check the ticket roll continuity for the last completed month with the roll continuity statement and linked to the stock book. Question number 54. TIA should check distance and fare from the cancellation tickets fallen on the broken period selected at random for 10 tickets of different combination or destination. Question number 55. TIA should check the station balance sheet debit side to ensure that option A. Bifurcation of figures should be given for local या foreign, base fare, reservation fee या super fast charges. The right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 56. TIA should check the station balance sheet credit side to ensure that credit side इसलिए चेक करेंगे. Option A. The remittance should be verified from the DTC book after they have been duly verified with CR notes. Option B. Special credits taken to be verified with DTC book along with the CR notes. Option C. A only correct या option D. A and B both are correct. The right answer is option D. Both A and B are correct. Question number 57. Verification of special debits and special credits in the balance sheets are checked by TIA. Option A. From the date of last inspection या from the previous balance sheet. The right answer is C. A only correct means from the date of last inspection. Question number 58. Exceptional data reports, EDR reports बोलते हैं, should be checked by TIA to ensure that all entries are correctly fed into the system, especially जब if less numbers of passengers travel होंगे तो ये चेक करना होता है. EDR report should be checked by TIA to ensure that all entries are fed into the system, correctly fed into the system. तो अगर less number of passengers traveled तो ऐसा होता है. Question number 59. Refunds made on the basis of EDR, exceptional data report, feeding should be checked by TIA. Right answer is B. 100% for the broken period and 10% of the selected period. Question number 60. It is checked to see by TIA that the license fees payable by license at YTSK means Yatri Ticket Subidha Kendra is rupees itna as per rates notified from time to time. The right answer is A. 5,000 per counter per annum. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही रहने देते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 तक मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक रखिए अपना ख्याल. जय हिंद, जय भारत.